Welcome to our comparison of two popular grooming tools, the Andis 04780 Professional T-Outliner and the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, explore the pros and cons of each product, and analyze user reviews to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of which trimmer might suit your grooming needs best. Let's get started. The Andis 04780 is a corded electric trimmer designed for professional-grade lineups and detailed trimming, featuring carbon steel T-blades with bump-free technology. In contrast, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 is an all-in-one grooming kit that offers a rechargeable battery and a wide range of attachments for various grooming needs. While the Andis is ideal for precise trimming, the Philips provides versatility with its multiple attachments. The Andis T-Outliner is praised for its powerful motor and sharp, durable blades, making it perfect for crisp lines and detail work. However, its corded design limits mobility. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 is versatile with multiple attachments and self-sharpening blades, but it comes at a higher price point and can be more complex to use. User reviews for the Andis T-Outliner highlight its effectiveness for lineups and its durability, while some users mention the cord length as a limitation. Conversely, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 receives praise for its versatility and battery life, though some users find it a bit pricey and complex to maintain. Overall, both products have their strengths and weaknesses based on user experiences. In conclusion, the choice between the Andis 04780 and the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 ultimately depends on your grooming needs. If you prioritize precision and professional results, the Andis T-Outliner is an excellent choice. However, if you're looking for versatility and convenience in a multi-grooming kit, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.